Hi, Bill Knudsen of Wabash Technologies. Now that you've seen the brief overview of the robot, there's a couple things I wanted to point out which this system offers, which makes it superior to other systems. And one of the big nice features is that our angle setting for the iron itself is in 5-degree increments, and has tooling pins to lock it in place for every 5 degrees. So with the correct documentation, you can change setups and go right back to original tip angle, and it's very accurate. Also, I wanted to point out down on our feeder mechanism, we also have graduated settings here so that we can document the height of the setting, the angle of the setting, and also the depth of the needle itself. There's a graduated setter on there. So some great features that other systems do not offer. I also want to, before we start and run your parts, which we're going to run 12 of your parts in your fixture, I want to rotate the soldering head around a little bit to show you another great feature that this system offers. In the event that you want to do a tip change out, there's no need to wait for the tip to cool. A very simple procedure to remove the entire tip, heater block, and tube assembly all in one piece. It's less than 30 seconds to remove by easily disconnecting the nitrogen supply tube. Above that, we're disconnecting one connector with a thumb screw, and then we have the main thumb screw here that actually holds the heater block on, and the heater block is also held on with 2 tooling pins, so the position is exact. There's no guesswork involved. So literally this entire heater block can be removed in less than 30 seconds and have a different heater block installed with perhaps a different tip or a different application. So some of the features that make this superior to other systems. I think we'll take a brief pause. I'm sorry, before we take a brief pause, a couple other things I may not have mentioned in the first overview was that the system is also available with a clean cut feeder, which actually creates a lateral slice in the solder as it's feeding to allow the flux to kind of ooze out of the solder wire. It reduces thermal shock, gives better flux dispersion on the part. And another extra that I may not have mentioned in the initial introduction video is the unit is also available with an expanded controller, which is similar to this, but actually will control any and all extras that you may want to add to the robot. So a nice thing to get the unit with the expanded controller. Then if you want to add extras down the road, you're not purchasing separate controllers for all of these add-ons or accessories. The expanded controller will control everything. So we'll take a brief pause, and then as you can see, we have your 12 of your parts lined up here ready to go. We'll take a brief pause, get the iron up to temperature, and then we'll watch you solder your parts. Hey Bill, we're going to run 12 assemblies. It will blow clean once prior to the start of the program, and then I believe after the 6th assembly it'll go back and blow clean again. So let's watch and see what it does. I have to comment that your fixturing was just phenomenal, which is why you're seeing great results here with the soldering, because the fixturing is so good, so accurate. It was a pleasure to work with it. opening and back and do the final 6. Last connection. Okay, the cycle time for 12 assemblies was 214 seconds. So it's a little under 4 minutes. 3 minutes, 47 seconds, I believe. 46 seconds. 3 minutes, 46 seconds for 12 assemblies. That concludes the video, and we're going to run some more parts and get them out to you with the video quickly. Thank you.